girl I know that I can trust. To be here when money low. If I did not have nothing else to give but love, would that even be enough? Y'all me need to know. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know, would you stick around?
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Tell me, would you want me? Tell me, would you call me? If you knew I wasn't ballin',
cause I need a girl who's always by my side.
Tell me, do you need me? Tell me, do you love me? Or is you just tryna play me?
Cause I need a girl to hold me down for life. If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws and if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? Would you still love me the same?
I got the mornings, I got your mornings, I got the details and the mornings. I got your soul code and your cash card too. I got the pin code coming to you. Money.
And brand new in the charts at number 8 this week, guys, we have Be Right There, Diplo and Sleepy Tongue. It's new, it's been 1 week in the charts.
Wanna be your girl, cause the mood is right. Tomorrow, will you hide? Will you be there for me when I need someone to hold? Baby, don't misunderstand. I don't want you for my man. I just need a little time before I invest my life. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. My love won't hurt. No.
Don't forget, guys, straight after the top 10, we are going into the live lounge where we have Stars of 99. Very much looking forward to that. This one in at number 7, it's Jamie Lawson. Wasn't expecting that. It's down 1. It's been 5 weeks in the charts.
I wasn't expecting that. Just a delicate kiss anyone could have missed. I wasn't expecting that. Did I misread the sign? Your hand slipped into mine. I wasn't expecting that. You spent the night in my bed. You woke up and you said, well, I wasn't expecting that. I thought love wasn't meant to last. I thought you were just passing through. If I ever get the nerve to ask, what did I get right to deserve somebody like you? I wasn't expecting that. It was only a word. It was almost misheard. I wasn't expecting that. But it came without fear. A month turned into a year. I wasn't expecting that. I thought love wasn't meant to last. Honey, I thought you were just passing through. If I ever get the nerve to ask, what did I get right to deserve somebody like you? I wasn't expecting that. Changed in the flicker of the sweetest smile. We were married in spring. You know I wouldn't change a thing without that innocent kiss. What a life I'd missed if you not took a chance on a little romance when I wasn't expecting that. Time doesn't take long. 3 kids up and gone. I wasn't expecting that. When the nurses they came, said it's come back again. I wasn't expecting that. Then you closed your eyes. You took my heart by surprise. I wasn't expecting that.
Repeat after me. I'm great.
And in at number 6, we have Running Lose It All featuring Beyonce and Adol Benjamin, Naughty Boy. It's down 2. It's been 5 weeks in the charts.
These 4 lonely walls have changed the way I feel. The way I feel. I'm standing still. Nothing else matters now, you're not here. So where are you? I've been calling you. I'm missing you. Where else can I go? Where else can I go? Chasing you. Chasing you. Memories turn to dust. Please don't bury us. I got you. I got you.
They're standing still. I'm running still. I'm running still. And every voice that cried inside my head, forever dry. Forever dry. I've drowned lies. Oh, where else can I go? And where else can I go? Chasing you. Chasing you. Oh. Running, 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 running. Ain't running from myself no more. Together we'll win it all.
I ain't running, 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 and running from myself no more. I'm ready to face it all.
If I lose myself, I lose 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 it all.
We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. Justin Bieber, yes, he's still with us, unfortunately, guys. He's at number 5. What Do You Mean? It's down 4. It's been 8 weeks in the charts.
What do you mean? Oh, when you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no. What do you mean? Hey, yeah, when you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go. What do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Said you're running out of time. What do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Better make up your mind. What do you mean? You're so indecisive. What I'm saying, trying to catch the beat, make up your heart. Don't know if you're happy or